Start by observing the ants closely to determine size, color, and foraging behavior so you can choose the correct gel bait. Measure their length against a ruler or common object and note whether they are tiny, like sugar ants, or larger, like carpenter ants, and record color ranging from black to brown to reddish. Watch their trail patterns and feeding preferences for several minutes to see if they focus on greasy foods or sweet liquids, which indicates whether they prefer sugar or protein baits. Look for nesting sites such as soil mounds, wood voids, wall cracks, or potted plants because species that nest in wood need different control than those nesting in soil. Use regional field guides or state university extension resources, which include clear photos and habitat notes to narrow identification. Match several traits rather than a single one since many species look similar. Try a phone identification app only as a secondary check because lighting and scale distortions can mislead you, and consider taking clear macro photos to show an expert if needed. When in doubt about toxicological concerns or unusual behavior like biting or nesting inside structure timbers, consult a licensed pest professional who can perform a confident ID and recommend the correct bait type. Common mistakes include assuming all ants take the same bait, which leads to wasted product and slower control. Switch bait types by offering both sugar and protein gels in separate placements and observe which one is accepted. Another issue is treating visible workers without locating the nest, so the colony persists. Follow trails back during active foraging times like early morning or evening to place baits closer to the colony or entry points. A third problem is applying gel too sparingly or on dusty, hot, or wet surfaces where attractants degrade. Apply gel in small continuous beads in protected locations such as under appliances, inside cracks, and along baseboards, and replace it if it dries or is consumed without colony reduction. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other users share field experience about pest identification and baiting strategies. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them engage directly with homeowners and the community.